Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the wristband or the straps on this watch. If you want to change the wristband or the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that the straps have this latches or hinges on them. And to take off the strap, simply grab the latch or the hinge with the fingernail or something else. Basically you need to grab it and you need to move it towards the middle of the strap. Basically you need to unhinge it. So you move it and then the strap will pop out. And how it works, you can see it more clearly now. If I move the hinge, basically the pin hides inside of the strap and then it unlatches the strap from the watch and you can remove it. That's how it works. Okay, let's remove the second one. So let's grab the pin, unlatch it, and remove the strap. So as you can see now we have the straps removed, and that's how it looks like without the straps. And once you get the new ones and you want to put them back on, it's quite simple. You simply grab the strap, your watch, you put one end of the strap, one pin of the strap into a hole like that on one of the sides, then you grab the latch and hide the pin, then position it on the next hole on the other side, and then release the pin, and it will basically latch into a hole and it will hold the strap. Let's do the same for the second one. So insert the one side into a hole, hide the pin, position it correctly, and then release it. Oh, I messed up. Let's try again, like this. And once you release it correctly, it will pop in and it will hold the strap. And once you're done, you can basically put away your watch. And that's how you change the wristband or the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.